It's Ash from Super Videos, back for another video for Season 10 of The Walking Dead. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at a pretty big thing that we saw in the last episode that's going to actually air tonight. For those of you that were not able to watch it on AMC Premiere, this is events from Season 10 Episode 18, which was called Find Me, and it involves Daryl and a new character who's going to be introduced, whose name is Leah. We're going to talk about whether the storyline that we saw between them in that episode was planned or whether it was forced. Now, there could possibly have been some Easter egg in Season 10 Episode 6, so earlier this season, that was meant to be like a subtle clue or hint about this particular storyline. So we're gonna talk about all of that and break it down, but before we actually get started, if you have not watched the episode, I highly recommend that you don't watch this video and skip it and come back to it when you're able to watch the episode itself, because I will be talking about the biggest reveal from this episode. So stay tuned, we'll be right back to break it all down. Alright, as always, if you're not a subscriber and enjoy the content, consider subscribing to join our community, share and smash the like button, and press the bell to be notified when we upload. So of course, for those of us that have seen the episode, we know that this episode had a lot of flashbacks in it that actually took us back to the years when Rick disappeared. It was around the time when Daryl actually left the group and went off on his own. In Season 9, we actually saw Carol visiting Daryl during the time when he was off on his own, but we never saw what he was doing. And the events of this episode, as far as the flashbacks go, are meant to fill in the gaps of what Daryl was doing and where he was. And of course, after watching episode 18 of Season 10, we now know that at that time, Daryl ran into a new female survivor named Leah. They spent a lot of time together and looked like they were in a romantic relationship. With what they gave us, we pretty much could fill in the gaps. But of course, near the end of the episode, we had Leah confronting Daryl about always being out and searching for Rick, and she basically had him decide whether to go after Rick, to go back to his old family, or to stay with her. And after not hearing the response she was looking for, she left. So at this point, we don't know if she's dead or not. She's probably not dead, but it's open-ended. So that obviously leaves the door open for her to return in either Season 11 in some capacity, or even join the cast and reunite with Daryl in the 4th spin-off. And it looks like this is the reason why Daryl didn't want to confess that he and Connie had a special bond, because he doesn't want the same thing to happen to her. Now I'm gonna share a subtle clue that they may have dropped earlier this season about a possible romantic connection between Daryl and a mysterious girl who Dog belongs to, who we now know is gonna be Leah. This was actually brought up by someone in the comment section of the old video that I did about this. If we go back to Season 10 Episode 6, there is a scene where Carol and Daryl are goofing around and they're tossing acorns. There is a conversation between Daryl and Carol to the effect of Carol asking Daryl about Connie and his feelings towards her, and tells him that he doesn't have to be alone. Daryl says, quote, "It's not like that, not at all," unquote, but wouldn't elaborate on what he means by that. Then Carol says, quote, "Years past, Daryl, you can't just hide out with her dog forever," unquote, which is a pretty substantial hint, because by her, she could definitely be referring to Leah. However, after going back, watching myself, and looking at the subtitles, and even looking at the transcript for the episode, it seems like even though it sounds like she's saying her, it's actually your. So you can't hide out with your dog forever. So I'll leave it up to you to decide, but I think it's a reach, because the official transcript doesn't point to any real connection between that conversation and Leah. Now after all of that, do I like this backstory or do I hate it? Short answer, I hate it. Listen, if this was not a backstory and if this happened in the current timeline, I would not mind it. I would be indifferent about it. But because it's a flashback, and because there's absolutely nothing we saw afterwards, like after this timelines, that's gonna link to anything that happened in this backstory, I would say it's a cheap story. Like, how is it possible that all this time Daryl has never mentioned a word about Leah or what happened to anyone? You may say that there were conversations about it that we just didn't see, to which I call bullshit. It's just a lazy way to justify it. And let's not forget, there was never supposed to be any bonus episodes in season 10. So any story that we see in these bonus episodes, particularly those that are flashbacks, are only there to have content without having new content. And by new content, I mean new content that's gonna spill into season 11 and further in the Walking Dead universe. And honestly, all of these backstory episodes or backstory scenes from these bonus episodes are most likely gonna be just bottle episodes, excluding the Here's Negan obviously, because that was planned. There's source material for it. Like, what I'm trying to get at is, if these bonus episodes never happened, I'm willing to bet that an episode like this about Leah and Daryl would never have existed. So they just wanted to create a story that is a big deal, but because it doesn't match with anything that we've seen, it'll probably end up being a pointless bottle episode that is irrelevant in the grand scheme of things. The best example I can give you to compare is, it's as if they never mentioned a word of Lucille in the original show and gave us a backstory about Negan and Lucille. Or if we never saw Sherry on The Walking Dead's original show and Dwight reunited with her in Fear the Walking Dead. So that's my 2 cents about this. That's everything I wanted to share. Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, share and smash the like button, subscribe to join our community, and press the bell to be notified about uploads on the channel. That's it for this video. See you next time for another super video.